Hey guys, back for part 2 of the Tasha K fiasco. So let's jump right in. It's a lot of information. That's why I said I'm going to break it up over 4 videos. It's a whole bunch of information. So let's start with Kibi Studios. Kibi Studios is a business that Tasha incorporated. Right now, Kibi Studios has a $400,000 judgment issued against the business with regards to the money that she is owed to Cardi B. Tasha K was asked in court, did her husband file a bankruptcy for Kibi Studios? Because keep in mind, she changed the name of Kibi Studio. So let me take it back. She dissolved Kibi Studios. What that means is the business closed. It's no longer in business. But what she did was she just created another corporation, right? So it appeared that Tasha was very unprepared, very well unorganized, and it seemed as if the IRS agent that was appearing actually for the United States government was very firm in her speaking to Tasha K, and she was very direct. The trustee asked Tasha K had she communicated with Cardi B, and this is what she said. Tasha's response was, I've communicated with her on social media. But she did not address if there was any payment arrangement. So what the judge was asking was, have you reached out to Cardi B? Has there been any payment arrangements? The judge could care less about any unprofessional rants, that she may have gone, back and forth with Cardi B. Like, nobody cares about that. But her answer is, I spoke to her on social media. Ma'am, that's why you here. This is stupid. Now, listen to this. This is so interesting. I mean, this is just, I don't know what to say. Tasha K stated that her husband, Chekna, that's his name, makes $23,000 a month, and she makes $3,000 a month. Let me repeat that. Tasha K stated her husband makes $23,000 a month. I said a month. I need y'all to hear that. And she makes $3,000 a year. Okay, wait a minute. This makes no sense. Because if she's the talent, how is it that she only makes $3,000? This does not make any sense, guys. But her husband makes more money than her. So if she makes $3,000, he makes $23,000, and she's supposed to be the talent, I can't even make this stuff up. Okay? So I'm sure they're wondering, if you're the talent, how is it that your husband makes $23,000 a month and you only make $3,000? Doesn't that seem like fraud or some type of scam? Also, in my previous video, remember, she said that she paid $2,500 a month for rent. However, Cardi B's attorney got the address, researched it, and said that apartment building, because it was asked, did she rent an apartment? And she said yes. It was determined that those apartments rented for $5,000 per month. So if she only makes $3,000, how in the heck could she pay $5,000? If she made $3,000 a month, how could she pay $2,500 a month for rent? This doesn't make sense. When asked when the judge or the trustee asked Tasha how does she pay her expenses, this is what her response was. Tasha responded by saying that her husband gives her a credit card to use to pay the bills, but she indicated that she does not know which bank the credit card is tied to. Y'all, this is crazy. The issue. If Cardi B's lawyer goes back to the original judge that originally told her that she is not to move any assets, and it is determined that she lied when she already had admitted on record, this is actually a felony. And this lady could be imprisoned. And guess what? Her bankruptcy can be dropped, which means she will not have any protection with the bankruptcy court. Cardi's lawyer also asked Tasha K, this is funny now, why did you block me? So apparently Cardi B's lawyers, they've been following Tasha K. You know, they want to get all the information. Tasha K responds, because I know you're watching me for Cardi. And then Tasha asks the lawyer, basically, I can unblock you. And the lawyer responds, no, no need. I'll get the subpoenas for what I want. When asked what is her profession, Tasha K said she is a troll and an entertainer. Y'all heard me. The woman says she is a troll and an entertainer. She doesn't state that she's a blogger. She doesn't state that she's a journalist. She stated that she is a troll and an entertainer. The most interesting part of this, though, she's saying this in bankruptcy court. When they were in the district court right here in Georgia, she stated that she was a journalist. You see what I'm saying? This stuff makes no sense. This is crazy. Tasha K filed a Chapter 11 bankruptcy, right? Do you know what a Chapter 11 is used for? It's a business filing. So if she's filing a Chapter 11 bankruptcy, I'm going to need somebody to answer this question. Why is this lady including her personal debt in a business bankruptcy? If she is filing bankruptcy, which is a Chapter 11, wouldn't she include the business debts? Oh, it gets even more interesting. She alleges that the business is not in her name. So, ma'am, this makes no sense. If the business is not in your name, how are you filing bankruptcy? Also, how are you filing it and listing your personal assets? Do you guys understand how this lady is digging a hole for herself? This don't make any type of sense. Like, you gotta be a fool to believe this. So let me speak to the issues here. And this is why I broke this up into 4 videos. It is so much to unpack here. Let's talk about the inconsistencies. Tasha has moved assets when she was previously told not to. That's a crime right there. She's filing a Chapter 11 bankruptcy, which is for businesses, but she states the business is not in her name. And then she's listing her personal assets onto a business filing. That makes no sense. Tasha K has committed perjury because she is clearly lying. You know what else is going to happen? Tasha's husband will possibly be subpoenaed. Also, it even gets more interesting. Based on the lies and the inconsistencies of everything she's saying, what is going to happen in this case? They're going to bring on some forensic accountants. What forensic accountants do is they look into the information and they determine what the outcome is based on the information that they have. And the reason why this is going to happen, because the information that she's providing does not add up. When asked how much does she pay for rent, she says $2,500. They do research and say, ma'am, we show that the rent is $5,000. And then she says, oh, $2,500 is my part. Ma'am, what is the amount of the rent? Too many inconsistencies here. So this is all I have for you guys for this video. Please come back for part 3. Please like, subscribe, and share and comment below. And I will talk to you later. Bye.